Go, Hunter, go. Up, 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 up. Down, down, Draco. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Block, block, Draco, block. Okay, up. Up. Draco down, Draco down.
And one. Split.
Black 11.
Split.
Hold up, fall back.
Watch middle, watch middle.
Squeeze. Oscar. Oscar. Beat that. Beat. Come on, Oscar.
Up.
Hey, sub.
Let's go, sub.
Now go. Take off.
You by yourself. Screen right. There you go.
Jason, take ball.
Watch that. Hey, corner. Let's go. Stop it. Let's go.
Down, Tiger.
Hey, you don't go at him. Go at him.
Middle.
Hands out.
Go, Bird.
Get up there. Come on.
Draco.
Now one. Hey, White, who you got? Who you got, David? You gotta stay with him. Huh? You got 15? Who got 33?
Offside third, that's all.
Get your man!
Hey,
Get your man!
Stop. Press rate. Stop.
That's good. Stay with him. There you go. Come on, kid.
Stop.
Get up, kid. Yeah, take that. Come on, stay with the man. Stay with 33, James. Stay with 33.
Round it, Hunter.
Come on! Come on, Marcus.
Ben.
Spread the floor. There's too many people on one side. David, go middle.
Down, Jagger.
Come on, David. Who you got?
Deny. Deep. Deny.
Thank you. Who you got? Show who you got. Come on, we got to communicate. Who you got? David, who do you have? David, who you got? Get your man! Hey, 33! Come on, help!
Set it up. Tiger. I said 4. Tiger, take that face.
Come on, wait! Get your man!
Cut. Tiger, get that. Got a box out, Anthony.
Thank you. Thank you, best. Come on, baby. Come on.
Sub, let's go. Sub.
Swing it.
Drop, Tiger, drop. Out, Tiger! Go! Do! Cam! Take it out! Run big on you. Run big on you. 5. Let go, 5! Wait, big! That guy's big! Hey, keep up! Big! Jack up, big! Lincoln, what's the five? You don't know?
Blue flag. I mean, black flag.
David, come here. Who you got? Huh? Okay, man. You have to say some man and ball.
Come on, son.
Michael! Hey, Nate! Who you got? Yeah, you get him. Hey, he's fast. Back up. You're 11. David, pick him up. Half court.
Hunter! Come on, Jun.
My leg, 2 hands.
D, come here. On the beat, that's why
Who has number 5? What do you got, David? 8-1.
there's no need for you to do that.
Don't get 5 no more. I want David on you. You got 11 now.
Down, Tiger! Let's go!
Hey, listen. We got to play the miss. Nate, go back. David, as soon as you make it, get back and pick your man up at half court. Pick your man up at half court, David. Go back, David. Go back, David. Go back. Go back, David. Right here, David. Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate. Yeah, Nate. Yeah. Don't leave. Open. Yes.
Coach, bring him this way.
How's your hand, boy? Hey, stop it! Go! Get up!
4 seconds. Done.
Marco, start ball. Right here, Marco.
Deny him, Hunter, deny him!
Hey, who got 33? Who got 33? Who got 33?
24.
Chop. Hunter, gotta help! Hunter! Chop, Tiger, chop!
Come on, Michael. Use the arm. You're low. Let's go.
You guys are stop with your dribbling. Alright, and then every time he's pressuring you, stop dribbling in front of him. But now you can see your team is set up. Thiago's there with this. Thiago keeps him dribbling right in front. So by the time he dribbles, boom, strip set, alright?
Sub. How many? 7. 7 is 3. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Stop.
Speak up, Dylan!
David, that's your man, baby. Get through that screen. It's new man. David, you got 3. David, you got 3. Get in front of him. Hey, I'll take it. It's okay. Marcos, who'd you got, Marcos? Hey, no, hey, who'd you have? 33? Hey, Aiden, you got 33. Hey, up. Anthony, who do you have? You ain't fighting anybody. Sir. David. You're daydreaming on Anthony. Hey, who got it? Set him up, Anthony. Set him up. Hey, James, get him. I want James on him. I want James on him. James got 5.
Load. Float. There you go. Good job, Anthony.
Hey, 23! Langer! 23! Hands, Anthony, hands!
You're gonna know where you're at.
Hey, wait. I need to know what you got right now. No, you don't, I don't want you on 33. James, you got 33.
Sinabi ba ano?
Wala pa.
Here, you get 5. You got 5, James.
Sub, ref!
pressuring them, but you guys are getting 23.
Yes.
Michael.
How do we start, Hunter?
Let's go, Oscar! Oh! Yeah, stay with him. Come on, kid, fight through that.
Forward, Draco forward.
Don't reach on him. Just jump on the
Offense.
floor.
Hunter, why can't you just
Get your man!
Don't cross the line, White.
Hunter, sideline. Go, big! Move, Anthony, it's big!
Good D!
Jago!
Good job, Sebastian. Good job. Yeah, 22.
Get it! Did I say 23? Did I say 23? 2, 3. You guys are matched up.
7 is 4.
That was his only second foul. If 33 has 3, 33 has 3, that's his second foul. You said earlier 33 has 3. Yeah, so 7 has 3 now.
It's 4 now.
Get your man! Get in front, Oscar! His basket is right there! Oscar, get in front of him!
Go attack.
Force the rush!
Right there.
Force the rush!
Cut Dylan.
Jacob.
No, 33 Jay. Jay, Oscar there. One. You there.
Number 12, Dylan. Off.
Hunter, come here! D! Dylan! How do we start? I just explained to you. How do we start your press? Yeah, right? I know, but
Offhand.
Come on, when you do
Get your man!
Stop.
Go, go, go! Go! David, get up! Tiger, Tiger! Wait, Tiger. Hey, buddy! You gotta play 2 minutes of defense. You understand?
Tiger, Hunter, Jericho.
Hey, who do we got?
Both teams in the bonus.
Stop!
Dylan! Tiger!
Can't let him go to the basket. Marcos, get in there.
Dominica, what's up then?
Who got the shooter? Who got the shooter?
Hey.
Let's go.
Run, Dylan, run.
Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up.
Big, go!
Let's go. Lay up. Sebastian, shoot. Shoot it. Sebastian. Shoot. Let's go. Get that up.
Dylan.
Hands up. Jump up and down.
Good passes,
Make it hard.
bud.
Yeah. Jump up and down. Make it hard.
Get it, Dylan. Go. Go.
Get up. 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 Let's go.
Right. Coach.
No man.
11. Hunter. Go, Dylan.
I'll take it. David. Can I get a sub? Sub. Hey. Hunter. Don't foul. David, go there.
Ready.
Travel. Good. It's okay. On to the next play. Let's go.
Hey, good job! Don't let him get it!
Huh? When you just want to. Okay.
Like I went to Jamaica, so I was like, let me just.
Michael, do not let him get it! Time out! I said hold the ball! Sit down! This is it! Hold the ball!
Hey, right here.
Oh, right here.
White ball right here.
Right here. Hey, wait. Hey, come here.
Hey,
Go.
ball's coming
Roll
in,
it. Go.